Most people tell you Arch Linux is hard. They are right if you do it the old way. But CachyOS is Arch Linux on steroids, pre-tuned for speed and wrapped in installer a 5-year-old could use. Today we are just installing an OS. We are optimizing your hardware to its absolute limit. If you want a snappy computer, pay attention. If you want to play it safe and slow, stick to Windows. Step 1. ISO file downloading and flashing process. First the basics, the ISO. Go to CachyOS, you'll see versions like handheld or server. Unless you are on Steam Deck, just grab the desktop edition. Here you will see the link down. Download desktop edition. Pick direct download or choose whatever option you like. The flash. Use Ventoy. Ventoy, you can copy and paste multiple ISO files on the same USB flash drive, and you can pick them to the boot manager at the start of your operative system. Here, as it's shown on the picture, Ventoy options are the boot up. Ventoy is more stable, it's more secure than other options. Here you have the download button. You can download for Linux, Windows. Have fun. The BIOS. Restart your PC, mash F2 or a Dell or a F12 and disable Secure Boot. Cachy can work with it, but for the beginner it's headache you don't need right now. Here you can see the Ventoy. Pick CachyOS and click enter. Boot in normal mode. Here you will see the group menu of CachyOS and click again enter. Step 4. The bootloader. Here in this option, pick Limin or systemd boot. Don't pick group unless you have a specific reason. It's old, slower and more prone to breaking during Arch updates. Later, after this step, pick the language, click next and pick your region where you live. After you have picked up the region, later choose your keyboard, choose your disk. I have chosen it here. Butterfs, and I encrypted my system because I want to be safe. Choose your passphrase, click next and pick your desktop environment. I have picked up the Plasma desktop because it's more fast, reliable, and I have used it before. After this step, just don't pick anything else. Click next right away. Don't forget to choose a full name that you want to use as login, name of this computer. Choose password 2 times and click next after this. After the installation is done, just click Restart Now and done. The system will restart and you will have fully finished CachyOS installation. Here pick the first option, Linux CachyOS, which it is the kernel that is booting up. After this step, it will appear the encryption. Put your password for lock screen that you have made it before. And here you will be greeted with welcome CachyOS help. Here pick up the first option, system update. Right away put your password. It will use RAM for browser profiles, faster, less disk wear. After you click your password, it will do the installation right away. Just pick U, which means yes. Later pick the CachyOS update enabled. Pick your password again. Click enter. Click U, which means yes. And click again enter. You will see this icon here, CachyOS update. It will notify you every time when you will have updates. Later pick buff tune enabled. It will automatically tune your system network. Click your password again. Click Epsilon or yes. Type enter and type again enter. Click again system update. Here you install gaming packages, which will install OMO Launcher, CachyOS Extra, Steam, and a lot of needed packages that you will experience better performance in the gaming. Right away just click U, Epsilon, click again enter, Snapper support, and don't forget to rank your mirrors. You will have faster download speeds for any needed updates of your system or downloading any packages. Here click just enter and pick your DNS server, which I have chosen malware and adult content blocking. Apply password and click OK. Here you will see the notification appearing again. You will see a lot of applications all pre-installed in the start. Snappier support, or as called Limin, which tells you every update that you have done on the system, save it as a snap on your system, which you can revert to the last step you have done the update. You can see a lot of applications all pre-installed, great applications. This is the package manager of the CachyOS, which I will do installation of some applications that I need. You can do so however you like from this step, and peace out. I wanted to talk about Shed X scheduler, pick sec buffland gaming option and choose these options like I'm typing right now. You will have better performance in gaming and stable FPS and stable lows.